Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not just about what you eat, but how you eat. Join me on this journey to master the art of meal planning, where every bite is a step towards a healthier you. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let me share a quick story. Ever find yourself staring blankly into the fridge, wondering what to cook? Yeah, we've all been there. But fear not, because today, we're unlocking the secrets of meal planning that will change the way you approach food forever. Picture this, a world where your meals are not just nutritious, but also delicious. It all starts with understanding your personal tastes, dietary goals, and lifestyle. Intrigued? Stick around, because we're about to embark on a culinary adventure. Meal planning is more than just putting food on the table. It's a creative process, a chance to experiment with flavors, and a mindful approach to nourishing your body. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Curious about the one ingredient that can instantly elevate your dishes? Wondering how to make meal prep your secret weapon? Patience, my friends, because we're saving the best for last. There you have it, a sneak peek into the world of meal planning. But this is just the beginning. Join me in our next video as we uncover the hidden gems of nutrition, one meal at a time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon, because you won't want to miss what's cooking.